If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time on Twitter, but sometimes your feed can get a little messy or not show the content you want to see. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Twitter feed and customize it to your liking. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Twitter account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the drop down menu from there. Select settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, click on privacy and safety. Now, scroll down until you find the content you see. Here, you can adjust where it appears in your timeline. Toggle the show the best tweets first option to decide whether you want Twitter to show you the top tweets or the latest tweets. Now, also, you can choose topics and interest. Sometimes they keep fixing your feed simply following the right accounts and unfollowing the ones that no longer interest you is the right key. So to unfollow someone, go to their profile and click on the following button to unfollow them. To find new accounts, use the search bar or explore who to follow suggestions. Finally, make sure you engage with the content you enjoy, like, retweet, and reply to tweets that interest you. Twitter's algorithm will start showing you more of what you interact with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take control of your Twitter feed and make it work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.